In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy text from a locked PDF without paying or converting anything. This is a really simple process, and we're going to use a tool for it. Just pull up a browser and search for Advanced PDF Password Recovery, as shown here. Open the first result. Don't worry, you don't have to pay anything. Just download the free trial of the application from their website. Once downloaded, install it on your computer and launch the application. Once launched, the app will look like this. First, click Open and pick your protected PDF, like here. Open the PDF and you'll see it's password protected. Load the PDF into the software. It'll show up on the list. There are a few settings which you can do yourself. Before you start, this is only legal for files you own or have legitimate access to. Don't use this on copyrighted or confidential files without permission. For example, if you forgot your password, try to remember details about it, like initials, beginning or ending letters, or how many characters. Choose the right options. Pick first option for capital letters, another for lowercase, and pick symbols or digits as needed. Go to the length option and select your password's approximate length. Estimate, like more than 4 but less than 7. Go back to range, and under attack type, pick brute force. Now, click Start Now. Wait a few seconds. It depends on how complex the password is, but you should see a message like this. It will show you the password. Copy that password, go to the PDF, and use it to open the file. Now, again, remember, the more complex the password, the more time it takes. Simple passwords are quick, but tough ones can take hours. That's it. You've now unlocked the PDF and can copy text freely without paying anything. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.